all sexy and everything, Kate? What the fuck?
Oh, it's recording.
Taking another picture of you?
No, it's a video. Oh no, I just feel like taking a video all of a sudden. All of a sudden. Give me that pussy. Oh my god, I just fell over. I look like crap. Oops. Ah.
So we gonna leave at all?
No.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Damn!
That was hella hard, wasn't it?
Yeah, fuck.
Kitty. Pretty pussy. Hey. Oh, look at that little sexy thing. she looks retarded.
She looks like she's pissed.
I should have took a video whenever I was drunk last night.
Kitty all rubbing on me and everything. Give me that dick.
It's hella
So you don't want to walk
what?
over that way?
No, not really. Why would I want to walk over there?
I mean,
give me that Becky.
the ball, dog.
Oh, oops. I hope that didn't like catch on.
What's the point of getting like this yet we ain't going nowhere?
I'm gonna go to the mall. Shut up. Do it again. Fat ass.
You are.
Wait, I'm gonna zoom in. It's like a porno. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, work that ass, girl.
Oh, get your ass. I'm putting this on YouTube. What the fuck?
Fuck you.
You look hella dope. Did you get some weed while you were outside?
I wish. Shit, man. Ah! Suck it.
Oh, you can suck this. Nah, just
You
kidding.
already know how to suck it, girl. Let's go.
Shut the fuck up. Let's look how pretty it is
Give me
outside.
that Becky.
Hey, the phone's ringing.
What? No, the phone wasn't.
What, did you like sit on it? Douchebag.
I pressed something.
Shut the fuck up, douchebag.
Farted on it.
You're sick.
Oh, give me that.
Oh, that hurted.
Give me that.
Ew, I got all hair in my lip gloss.
It's there. It's still there.
Shut up. Shut up.
Hey, Kylie.
Huh?
Give me that Becky.
I will give you that, Becky.
I gotta keep my head on. Ow, shit, fuck.
I don't know why. This is a very pointless video. At least you can't see nothing down on my dresser. Yes, it's very messy. I can't show you. Natalie! Okay, this pointless video is over. Goodbye.